Yo, what's popping, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to kingsfx channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video. All right, now in this video I'm going to show you a simple retest strategy. Okay, a simple retest strategy, and I've been on a trade with this strategy, and currently I just entered a trade also on crash 1000 with this strategy. You can see my entry. The price is going against me, but I'm so confident enough that the price will soon, do the needful. The price will soon do the needful. The price should go in my direction using this retest strategy. Okay, now how did this strategy work? Let me show you from this one. Okay, now if you look here, all you need to do for this strategy, you have to go to a higher time frame, starting from 15 minutes time frame to 1 hour to maybe 4 hours depending. Okay, now I'm using 1 hour on this trade. You can use 15 minutes, you can even use 5 minutes on this particular retest strategy. It's a very simple strategy, but you are going to be making a lot of money with it. You have to hold your trade for some time. You can see this trade, I've been riding it for hours now. All right, and you can see those massive downtrend right there. Okay, after the retest. So what you have to do, how do we trade this strategy? Once you figure out or you discover a swing high, okay, now the price is trending down, right, and you discover a swing high, which is a pullback. You can see the price going down, then pull back a bit from here to this point. Okay, so that's our black. Let me use this, okay, so that you'll be able to know the difference. So our black point, this black circle there, is the swing point. Okay, the swing high. So when you discover a swing high, just mark out that line. Okay, either you use a horizontal line or you use a rectangle like this one. Okay, once you mark out the line, you drag it back and check if there is any point that same line is serving as support or resistance. So if you look at this point, you see that same point have been a support. Okay, previously it have been a support level. Then if you scroll back again, you are going to see that same level has also been a resistance. So you need to see this first, okay, so that when the price comes back to that level, okay, when the price pull back to that level, okay, retesting that same level, you are taking a trade. Okay, you are going to be taking a trade. As simple as that. Very simple strategy. So this one that I just entered that is going against me, okay, the same thing happened here. You can see that we are now on a swing high, okay, because the price has been trending down from this point. You can see how the price is trending down, okay, downside. Then at this point there was a reversal and the price moved back and formed that swing high right there. So after the swing high, I have to mark out my that point, okay, then scroll back to see if at any point, you can see here that same point, that same line is serving as support here. Okay, in this area, you can see at this area the price find it difficult to break downside. Okay, break that same demand level, okay, that support level. Then it's have now a kind of, that is how simple this strategy is. Okay, you can see the point, this particular area rejected the price for a very long time. Okay, then the price broke that level, okay, and came back to retest it. After retesting it, forming that swing high, so we are looking for massive drop. Okay, we are looking for massive drop. So this is how simple this strategy is. Very simple. Okay, very simple. We are still waiting for our crash to start coming. You can see the same thing here. Okay, the same thing happened here while we enter that trade. You can see that entry. This entry is beyond. You can see the position where I entered that trade. Okay, and you can see those massive drop. I was using 0.5 on this. All right, if you should check back, you can see what happened here. Okay, you can see this point again. You can see the level here is a retest. Okay, if you push back, you will see that at a point previously that same level served as support. Okay, you can see that same level as support right there. even here, okay, you can still see it as a support right there. So that same level served as support, okay, at that point, and currently the price have broken that level, came back to the level to retest it. So at that point you should enter a sell after the retest. Okay, so the same thing on that trade we are taking, okay, currently. Okay, the only thing is that you can see here I did not find the reverse on time, but the main thing is that we are going to be profitable. We are going to be taking profit on this trade. The price is going to drop. Okay, the price is going to drop. You can see my stop loss level. If the price should reverse and could not drop, okay, to my direction, you can see where my stop loss level is, that high right there. Okay, so that you'll be able to protect your account. For the fact that the strategy works well, never, it is not a guarantee that you should not set stop loss. Okay, you always protect your account. That's your number one assignment as a trader. Your number one assignment is to protect your account. Okay, so I go back to this analysis. Now you can see that first the retest of this one, which is the reason why we entered. Then at this point, that same level served as support. Okay, now at this at the same line at that point served as resistance. Okay, the same way here, as a retest right there, you can see the retest served as support right here, support right here. Okay, the same thing we have here. You can see the price retested this point. Okay, that's the point one could enter a buy. Okay, when the price break away from that line, you can see, then retest the line again, that level again, then forming a swing low, you could have entered a buy. Okay, why? Because if we scroll back, you can see that that same line served as support previously. Okay, it served as support previously. So let me see if we have any other example like that. Okay, let's see if you have any retest. Let's see here. Okay, let's use this one too. You can see here, okay, the price retested that point. The price like broke from that point, okay, came back to retest it and push way down. Now we have to check if there is any position. Okay, if you check back, you can see that this price right there, that point is a kind of resistance point. You can see it's a resistance point. Okay, it served as resistance, and the price came back to retest that point after breaking it. Okay, after breaking it, the price came back, retested that same point, and we enter our sell, you know, enjoy the massive drop. Okay, the massive drop. So this strategy is very simple, very simple. Okay, it's a price action strategy anyways. And the amazing stuff about this strategy is that you're not just going there to scalp or, you know, pick some candlestick and run away. No, you have to wait for the price to drop. Okay, just have to wait for the price to drop. Then you set your stop loss at the previous high. Okay, you set your stop loss at the previous high. Then that's all you need. That's all you need to do. Like now you can see my price is already far away. After this video I'm going to close because I know very soon there will be a pullback. That's why I opened this second trade right here to enjoy the drop. Okay, I opened this trade right here to enjoy the drop. Okay guys, so this is it. There is no indicator, there is no anything at all apart from just looking at the price, understanding how the price moves, then taking this retest and, you know, taking your profits. All right,
yeah, so you can see how this one has been massively dropping, and our crash 1000 now is in profit. I've shifted my stop loss to my M3. That means we are not going to be losing anything. Okay, we are not going to be losing anything if this price should go against us. So that's the importance of you know, following the trend, guys. And importance of following the trend, and also this break and retest strategy. Okay, so you can see that we already started the movement down to another level after a swing low, like what happened here. Okay, sorry, like what happened on boom 1000. You can see after a retest we enter and we are, pushing it down. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys. I told you it's going to come back in profit, the crash 1000. So I wanted to wait for it to return to profit as we I kind of speculated, so that before I kind of close the video for you to see. So we just started the down movement on this. Okay, just started a down movement on this after a breakout from this kind of support right there. Then it's going to drop massively down towards the downside because of simple strategy, retest strategy, guys. All right, guys, just to show you how our analysis is going, how our trade is going. You can see this is it here. This is how massive this price is dropping after our analysis. Okay, I just needed to wait and show you this for you to know that this strategy works well. Okay, it's not just back testing or anything at all. You can just pick that retest point, you enter your trade comfortably. Currently you can see our stop loss is at our entry level. Okay, we are still going to be pushing our stop loss down. Okay, the same thing with the second trade. That's the first trade we entered before. You can see how the price keep dropping. I've shifted this stop loss to this level. Okay, this stop loss to this level, and we keep riding it. So as long as the price keep making these swing highs and swing lows, keep going down, we keep shifting our stop loss to the end of the trend. So basically this strategy will help you enter a trade on time and stay for a very long time. Okay, so this, you can see there's no much lines, there's no much indicators, there's no even indicators, so not much indicators. Okay, so you just see a breakout from a structure and you wait for the price to come back and retest that zone. So once the price retests, you enter your trade. Okay, you can see how price is just dropping. Okay, so we are waiting for maybe some kind of pullback before the price keep pushing down. So basically this is it. I'm just showing you this for you to see that this strategy is very simple. The same strategy we use in entering this one, we have been taking trade with this same strategy. You can see as the price at this point, I've explained this thing yesterday. I'm just trying to show you again so that you know that this is the trade, and I've been on this trade for over 10 hours now. Okay, as I started this video yesterday, but I have to pause the video and wait for you to see the results, okay, of this one. We entered this trade together yesterday on when I was analyzing this trade. Okay, so that is that. If you love this, if you appreciate what I do here, please don't forget to always comment, like, share my videos. Okay, and also I will leave a link to my Facebook group, my Facebook page, because I'm kind of shifting attention to Facebook because a lot of scammers on Telegram, a lot of fake accounts, people using my name, my picture and everything. People keep complaining of being scammed, and I keep saying it here that there is no way I will chat you up in any way. You are the one who will chat me up. So there's no way kingsfx will chat you up and say invest money. I'm not doing investment program, and I keep saying it and people keep falling. I don't do investment program. I cannot say invest $5,000 or $1,000 or $10,000 to get maybe anything. There is no way. So anybody who is telling you that he or she is kingsfx and you should invest money is a joke, is a scam. So just know this and know peace. Thank you guys. See you guys at the next one. Bye for now.